What makes this car so special, I believe, is the perfect balance between sporty and proud and sharp and soft, and I think that's something only Audi can do. It all starts with the proportion. We have the big wheels, we have the long wheelbase, the hood, the front, very prestigious, and then we have this flat and stretched cabin, which is giving the car a very progressive attitude. At the front, it all starts with a single frame. We created a shape which is very unique. We have the rings sitting a little bit higher, so the car looks always very proud. The confidence comes from the sleek headlights sitting slightly above, and then these vertical air curtains on the side, they are helping us to show the status of this car. We wanted to create something very special for the rear. It has these typical Audi full surfaces with the rings sitting up high, and then something very special are the rear lights. For the first time is splitting them. So you have the top part with those eyes where the OLED functions are really showed as jewelry, and at the bottom the more technical part. This gives a very, very unique feature to this car.
The new Audi A6 Avant is all about elegance and dynamics. And in the interior, you can experience that. Entering the A6 as a driver, you will see that everything is perfectly arranged around you. The digital stage in front of you is a reinterpretation of the Audi typical driver orientation. And because of its thin execution, it also seems to float. The comfortable and high-quality materials create a space which is warm and personal. We call it the soft wrap. We want you to feel comfortable and in control, whatever you do. In the Audi A6, the driver has the digital stage, while the co-driver can interact with the passenger infotainment display. Thanks to the active privacy mode, the co-driver can watch a movie during the trip without disturbing the driver.
Creating the A6 Avant was for us such a beautiful challenge. We have a very unique design language, and that's what we wanted to improve. So Audi's past was our inspiration. We wanted all these perfect shut lines, all these crisp lines together with the soft tension of the surfaces. We really believe the fusion of all these elements create a strong character for the A6 Avant.
My name is Marco Dublanovic. I'm an interior designer at Audi.
My name is Francesco D'Amore. I'm exterior designer at Audi, and this
is the A6 Avant.